To make money using ChatGPT in 2024 and beyond is possible. But here is the thing, you cannot rely on ChatGPT or any artificial intelligence 100% because you need ideas, you need innovation, you need creativity, and of course you need to put efforts and time at the same time. Alright, so let's dive into the first and the foremost thing that you can definitely do using AI or ChatGPT and make money is content writing. So if you want to become a content writer or you already know content writing but you want to excel it, what you will do it, you will utilize ChatGPT or any AI tool to write content in a massive manner. So nowadays you see that if we manually write a newsletter, blog or an article, it will take us at least 2 to 4 hours of a day. But when we are getting this done by ChatGPT or any other tool, we can get this done very immediately. So what we need to do is use a prompt that I have mentioned in my description and make sure that you personalize that content writing according to you, and you can charge for one article almost $100 per article. So basically it is going to help you to monetize it, and the more experience you gain, the more you can charge. Second way is become a copywriter. So a copywriter does what? They actually are an upgraded version of a content writer. Okay, now a content writer will write it entirely the article, but a copywriter will make it in a unique way, in a different way, in a way that holds attention of a reader. So copywriter works on the psychological things that holds attention and grab their interest in the particular article, or writing any copywriting for landing pages, for YouTube thumbnails, for YouTube scripts, reel writing and so on. Although copywriters are majorly getting work for Facebook campaigns, Instagram campaigns, YouTube and Google Ads campaigns, become a copywriter and you are ready to charge almost 100 per word or maybe more than that according to your experience. Now the third way is to become a reel script writer. Now here again use ChatGPT and ask him to do that particular job on behalf of you, but when it gives you according to you, make sure that you edit that and personalize it really well, because scripting is a different thing. Hence you have to do what? You have to personalize it and make sure that you are giving the prompts very nicely. Give them an example script. So you have to create one script and then the rest will be created by AI. So this is how you can make money even more. As an individual, in 1 hour you cannot write more than 2 scripts of a reel, but with AI you can write at least 5 to 10 and personalize it within the time. So that's why I say use ChatGPT to save your time and increase your creativity at the same time, but personalize it. Now the fourth way I can give you is make sure that you start write captioning for social media platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram. You can do captioning for everybody and this way you can charge. Another way of making money from ChatGPT is to use it for research and become a strategist. So I'm running a series on my Instagram that talks about make money from social media. There I am telling that how people can make money in 30 different ways from social media, and if you become strategist, a social media strategist or a web consultant, you can definitely do a lot of research, and that times you will invest in searching manually, you can get that job done by ChatGPT. If not ChatGPT, leverage Gemini, because ChatGPT has old and outdated content, but Gemini is an updated version that has data of updated within a few days itself. So that would be more accurate for you. And this is how you can make money from ChatGPT, become whatever suits you the best and then charge accordingly. Find out the standard rate is in the market currently and then charge accordingly. That's about it. Make sure that you watch out my other videos. Build your personal brand first, because it is very important to monetize in any ways. Even if you want to make money from ChatGPT, you must have a presence, and there is no best platform than LinkedIn. So make sure that you watch out my video and meet me soon in the next one. Till then, bye bye.